Hi, I'm Bridget Aileen Sicsko. I'm a speaker, the co-founder of a company called Visibility on Purpose. It's a PR, branding, and media company, and I've also been in the health, yoga, and wellness space since 2016. I've had the ability over the years to speak on a wide array of different topics across many different industries. I've worked with a veteran nonprofit since early 2019, been working in the addiction and recovery space for the last 7 years, and been able to talk in front of schools, whether it's 6th, 7th, and 8th graders, high schoolers, colleges, and even workplaces. I've actually found that companies, schools, workplaces, organizations love to bring me in because I don't just have that singular focus. I like to keep things fun. I've spoken on a number of topics: how to build a personal brand as an employee, healthy habits while working remotely, because we definitely need that, positivity and gratitude for students, the real journey of entrepreneurship for college-age students, the mindset of overcoming addiction, and many more. If you would like to have me as a speaker at your next event, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks so much.